Welcome back to the WealthWise channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top 5 stock picks for 2023. As always, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Please consult a professional before making any investment decisions. This is purely education on the financial markets. Let's get into the video. Although there will be a pullback, these 5 equities have fantastic long-term growth prospects. Here are 5 stock suggestions for investors to think about as they restructure their portfolios for 2023 as the new year approaches. General Electric, GE 0.05%, is a value stock with a chance to outperform expectations. Due to short-term worries, United Parcel Services, UPS -1.09%, stock has declined, but underlying improvements in the company's operations increase its potential to generate long-term earnings. A play on the electrification of the economy is nVent Electric, NVT 0.73%. The aircraft industry's composites of the future are those made by Hexcel, HXL 0.32%. The industrial software provider PTC, PTC -0.89%, is a play on manufacturing digitization. 1. Stock of General Electric in 2023. The industrial behemoth will begin the year by separating its healthcare division, leaving GE Power, GE Aerospace, and GE Renewable Energy as the remaining business. All 3 of the remaining companies could perhaps have a successful year. With a backlog of more than $300 billion, GE Aerospace should increase aircraft engine production as supply chain problems subside during the year. GE Renewable had a difficult year in 2022, but all the top producers of wind turbines are reforming, and order prices are steadily rising, suggesting the industry is bottoming out and returning to profitability. Last but not least, GE Power orders are up 7% on an organic basis in the first 9 months, indicating that it may be able to surpass the low single-digit revenue growth pace that management has projected for 2022. 2. UPS has potential for long-term growth. Without a doubt, UPS will suffer during a downturn in the economy. Delivery volumes are tied to economic growth. Long-term investors will, however, pay attention to the company's fundamental developments that are enabling it to make progress toward the 2023 goals set at its investor conference in 2021. The focus of UPS on the healthcare, high-growth international, small and medium-sized business, and business-to-business e-commerce areas has improved the quality of its revenue. Along with a fresh emphasis on maximizing the value of its current assets and a readiness to forego less profitable deliveries in favor of going after volume, UPS is increasing its profit margin. The quality of UPS's earnings is likely to keep rising as it strengthens its working connections with the aforementioned markets, positioning it to aggressively increase profits once any slowdown in 2023 is forgotten. 3. nVent is a growth stock that is not widely known. The argument in favor of purchasing nVent is that it is a picks and shovels strategy for playing the economic trend toward electrification. You will require electric charging networks if you own electric vehicles. Transmission and distribution networks must be constructed if renewable energy sources are to be used in the future. Buildings, residences, and infrastructure will require electrical connections if they are to become smart. Electrification is implied by industrial automation and digitization. Electrical installations cannot be completed without the use of nVent's electrical connection and protection solutions, including enclosures, fastening solutions, and thermal management systems for protection. Long-term trends are favorable, and nVent is among the select few businesses that increased its full-year earnings estimate on each earnings call in 2022. It illustrates the company's potential for long-term growth. 4. A stock in the aerospace industry with strong growth is Hexcel. Advanced composites from Hexcel are stronger and lighter than conventional materials. As a result, they are probably an affordable alternative to materials like aluminum for usage in areas where decreasing weight greatly boosts long-term profitability. In fact, every gram of weight lost in an aircraft, without sacrificing other material qualities, means less gasoline is consumed. As a result, Hexcel is a play on both the move toward newer models employing more sophisticated composites as well as Boeing and Airbus ramping up aircraft production and clearing their enormous backlogs. Everything points to a combination of long-term growth and both medium-term profit growth, as aircraft manufacturing picks up, and short-term profit growth, as advanced composites are utilized more frequently in each new generation of aircraft. 5. Investing in industrial software is a trendy megatrend. The way industrial organizations create physical things is changing because of the introduction of digital technology and sophisticated analytics. PTC offers software for augmented reality, AR, product lifecycle management, PLM, the Internet of Things, IoT, and computer-aided design, CAD. Despite their rapid expansion, IoT and AR are still relatively minor areas for PTC. Although PTC's CAD products have been outperforming the competition, its key competitive advantage is PLM. PLM software can collect real-time data from the operation of the plant using digital technologies, for instance, digitally twinning a physical asset, such as a manufacturing line or plant, which can subsequently be digitally modeled to increase performance. PTC will be hurt if the industrial sector has a significant decline, but the digital revolution is true and its long-term prospects are still very good. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and a comment below if you enjoyed the content or want to see different content on this channel. Thanks for stopping by with The Wealthy Wise.